Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to continue the rest of the list methods. In previous videos, I covered append, extend, insert, pop, remove and clear. In this video, rest of the methods. Please follow my video. Let me show you the code. So I'm going to take one example here. So copy is a method. If you copy and paste, if you want to create a shallow copy of it, how to create? Just take one new variable, list3 is equal to, I'm going to copy the information of the list2, list2 dot copy of. So what I am doing here, I am just copying the information of list2 and going to paste it into list3. So print of list3. Now you can see a shallow copy of the data. That means copy paste. You are copying the list2 information and pasting into the list3. Next, count. Count is a method. So count is a method. It is going to count with the specified value how many times it occurred in a list. So you can write like a variable name is list2 dot count of. Now you can write the value which one you want to count. Maybe the value is Python here. So print of list1, number of occurrences. You can see don't write the print statement here. You can count directly, write the print statement here itself. Print of, you can see Python 2 times. Let's try with the other value, other element. Maybe 5000, how many times it occurred? Only one time. Next, index. So count is nothing but count is a method with if you specify the value, that value how many times it occurred in a given list. So index. Index is a method. I'm going to specify the value. Based on that value, I'm going to access the position of the element. So let me write the code. List2 dot index of. You can write the element inside of this. Maybe I want to check 100. Print of list1, list2. So index of, print of list2 dot index of 100. See the index, the position number is 0. Element through I am accessing the position. So index is nothing but it is a method, element name through accessing the position. So let me check with the false. It is 2. Just count it 0, 1 and this is 2. And indexing, it is an operation. So you are going to write the position through accessing the element name. But here index is a method, element name through accessing the position. And reverse. If you want to reverse the entire list, the whole list, if you want to reverse it, so list2 dot reverse of. So print of list2 dot reverse of. Okay, I want to write like a print statement and so print of list 2. You can see here the whole list was reversed. Python 100.8, 5000, false, Python and 100. Next, sort. Sort is a method. It is going to sort min to max like ascending order, max to min descending order. So sort is a method. So let me take one example here. List 1 is equal to maybe 2, 1, 6, 100, 5, 67, 870, 999, 1021. Some numbers I have, some small numbers and some big numbers. If I want to sort into the min to max, so you can write like a list1 dot sort of print of list1. You can see if I don't write any argument inside of the sort, it always sort it to min to max. Here you have the mixed numbers, but it is sorted into min to max. Maybe I want to reverse it. That means I want to sort max to min, like descending order. Just you need to write one argument here. Reverse is equal to confirmation, like true. If you give the true, it is going to sort it into max to min. So this is the sort method in list. So these all are the methods in list. So thank you. See you in next video. In next video, I'm going to explain the tuple data structure. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.